How to make $900 a day with ChatGPT, 4 lucrative side hustles to earn money online. In this video, I'll share with you 4 side jobs that you can start immediately and earn as much as $1,000 a day with the help of ChatGPT. What's even better is that these money-making opportunities are completely free and require no specific skills to do. All you need is access to a computer and the internet, so let's dive right in. Now, we'll be gradually increasing the level of difficulty for these side hustles, from extremely easy to easy. Let's start with the one that's extremely easy. While I was doing online research, I came across a man named Levi Newman. He earned a total of $1.2 million between 2014 and 2022, which averages out to about $150,000 per year. He earned such a huge income by writing product descriptions on Fiverr. It's quite remarkable. Business Insider even interviewed him, and there's an entire testimonial about his success available online. If you're unsure about this kind of hustle, I'll give you 4 pros for doing it. Firstly, it doesn't tie you to a 9-to-5 job, and you simply work for yourself. Secondly, it can be done from anywhere in the world. Even if you're out somewhere or on vacation with family, you can still do this. Thirdly, many people have proven and shared their amazing experience with this job. Lastly, you can automate this process using ChatGPT, so this side hustle can be really easy. Assuming that Levi worked for 8 hours per day, which is unlikely, he would have earned $72 per hour worked. If you visit Fiverr, where he earned all of his money, you'll find that people charge between $20 and $250 to write product descriptions. Let's take a closer look at the numbers here on Fiverr. One person charges $70 per product description and has received 687 5-star reviews. This means that they are in high demand, maybe because their prices fall within the average range. By clicking on their profile, we can see that they currently have 7 orders in queue, which indicates that they are high in demand. Additionally, on Fiverr, sellers often offer multiple pricing tiers such as basic, standard, and premium. For example, the standard pricing tier for product description writing jumps from $70 to $165, while the premium tier costs $185. The reason why this service is expensive is because you're providing a service to business companies. The product descriptions you write can directly impact a business's revenue. Therefore, businesses are willing to pay a higher price for quality writing that will increase their sales. I understand that you may be thinking that you don't have the necessary skills to write product descriptions. However, I want to assure you that you don't need any specific skills for the side hustle. In fact, I'll show you how to do this job in just 5 minutes using ChatGPT so you can earn money without worrying about your skills. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write or generate a description for a certain product or service. This includes the benefits of getting the said product or service. You may be wondering again where to get these benefits or if you need to come up with your own. Actually, the business that will hire you to write product descriptions will provide you all the information you need. Just feed ChatGPT all the necessary information and it will do all the work for you. Once a description is done, copy it, save it as a PDF, and send it to the company. If you're interested in a simple side hustle that doesn't require any specific skills, then this opportunity might be a good fit for you. With this method, you can start earning money right away. The great thing about Fiverr is that it welcomes people from all over the world. You could potentially earn a salary of $150,000 per year or more, just like Levi Newman did. Even if you end up making only half of that amount, it's still a decent income for a side hustle that requires minimal effort. ChatGPT does all the work for you, so you don't need any special expertise. This translates to around $6,000 a month, which is a good amount for a part-time gig. The next side hustle I'm going to share with you is so easy. People are making thousands of dollars a day, and some are even making millions of dollars a year. I truly believe in this side hustle, and I want to continue rooting for it and telling people of its benefits. In this video, pay close attention as I show you behind the scenes how you can replicate what I'm doing and reach millions of people using the channel Mulligan Brothers as an example. Mulligan Brothers is a YouTube channel focused on motivational content, and as someone who enjoys motivational videos, I find their channel particularly interesting. Surprisingly, despite the fact that they don't show their faces or even use their own voices, they managed to get 2.4 million views last month. According to Social Blade, this YouTube channel earns approximately $10,000 per month, which is already a decent amount. However, to get a better understanding of how much motivational channels make, I ran into an individual online who was selling their own motivational channel with only 27,000 subscribers for 16,000 euros. Upon examining the channel's revenue, it was revealed that the channel's RPM, which refers to how much YouTube pays the creator, is $16.58, while the CPM, which is how much YouTube charges advertisers, is $9.04. This implies that the seller receives 55% of that amount. Therefore, if a small channel with 27,000 subscribers can make $12,835, then a large channel like Mulligan Brothers with 1.6 million subscribers can potentially make much more. I want to show you that you don't need a massive subscriber base to earn a substantial income on YouTube. This particular channel with 27,000 subscribers has an RPM of $9, which is a good indicator for what creators in the motivational niche typically earn. Based on the fact that Mulligan Brothers received 2.34 million views in the last month, we can estimate that they are making around $21,000 per month. YouTube can be a lucrative side hustle that can help you transition out of a job you dislike and into doing something you love. Let me show you another YouTube channel called Motiversity, which I've been following for years. It has 2.91 million subscribers, and Social Blade estimates that they make $30,000 a month. However, I think Social Blade is probably underestimating their earnings. Let's take a look at their 7.445 million views last month and apply the $9.04 RPM from the guy with 27,000 subscribers in the motivational niche. Based on the number of views Motiversity has received in the last 30 days, the amount of money they're making is $67.3 million. Again, you don't need a million subscribers to earn on YouTube. There are tons of channels out there that have found the most effective techniques to market their videos. The third side hustle is blogging. I was amazed when I discovered that people were earning $80,000 a month through blogging, so I decided to do some research. Although I knew that ChatGPT could make blogging easier, I was curious to see how people were getting such high earnings just by writing blogs. I came across a blog that explained how bloggers were able to monetize their blogs through a variety of methods, doing sponsored posts and selling e-commerce products. This is very similar to monetizing a YouTube channel. I also discovered that the true average earnings from blogging are around $250,000 to $350,000 per year. However, this isn't true for all bloggers. Let's say that you're not very skilled in blogging and have to go through a learning process, resulting in lower earnings. Even if you just make half of the lowest end of the earning spectrum, you can still make a substantial amount of $125,000 a year from your blog, which you can write from the comfort of your own home. Blogs have a lasting presence on the internet. They're just there, and once you post something, it remains there permanently. While you'll need to continue creating new blog posts with updated information, each post builds upon the others, creating a compounding effect that allows some bloggers to earn as much as $80,000 a month. This is the power of compounding. Imagine that you write one blog post a week, and it takes you 8 hours to write it. Although with the help of ChatGPT, you can easily create blog articles in a matter of minutes. This one blog post per week can earn you $125,000 per year, even if you only make half of the low end of the average earnings. What's more, using ChatGPT, you can easily generate entire blog articles that you can use to implement affiliate links, capture people's emails for email marketing, and even run ads on your blog. To monetize the blog, you can sell your own products, sell sponsored posts, similar to sponsored YouTube videos, and more. Let's move on to the last easy side hustle that's helping people earn between $15,000 to $40,000 per month. Recently, I came across a woman online who's making $17,000 per month by selling low-content books on Amazon, and the best part is that she started this business with no prior design experience. When she began this side hustle, she was working too hard and stuck in a job with no growth prospects, earning only $10 an hour, while her husband was working as a contract driver delivering medicine to nursing homes 6 days a week. She was surprised that she made money in her very first month by only posting 10 designs. The term design in this context refers to the templates or layouts for low-content books, such as coloring books and journals, which don't require advanced design skills to create. The woman mentioned in the previous statement started making money from selling these low-content books on Amazon even though she had no prior design experience. Now, I'm not saying that these side hustles will make you rich overnight. They still require patience, hard work, and consistency on your part. Try the easiest one for you on this list and see where it takes you. Thanks for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video, and have a great day. See you soon.